my video. This is what I'm showing for you guys. So, it's gonna be almost, because it's April 26th, then today is April 21, then tomorrow is April 22. How many days do we have on April 26? 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. We have 5 days. I'll vlog next time when it's my birthday because we're going to Candy Museum. Don't forget, I'm just gonna vlog with it. Just go. Breastfeeding. No, I already show my arms. Yeah, let me just. I'm gonna sit here and take a good rest.
Sunglasses.
I'm hanapin mo. I'm gonna take a sleep. Like that. 6 hours later. Whew, this is a good dream. Okay, bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.